Hey everybody, I'm Norris. It is April 29th, it's Friday, and real estate investors and realtors, as people are moving on, retiring, are they deciding to rent or buy? That and much more as we cover the biggest headlines in real estate. Do not miss our radio show this week with Barry Habib. He's with the CEO of MBS Highway, and he was a referral from one of our friends. And talking a little bit more about interest rates and where we're headed. Are we going to see an interest rate that starts with a 2 on a 30-year mortgage? You don't want to miss that radio show. The Census Bureau shows new home sales for single family decreased by 1.5%. Black Knight Financial says mortgage delinquency rates are at their lowest in 16 years. The latest S&P Case-Shiller Index shows home prices increasing 5.3% annually in February, but it's unchanged month over month. Consumer confidence decreased beyond expectation this last month. Pending home sales increased to their highest in a year at 110.5. The Mortgage Bankers Association says commercial multifamily originations are 38% lower this quarter than in the previous quarter back in 2015. And the National Association of Home Builders is expecting 2016 to see a 14% gain in single-family home production, and the first time since the recession that single-family construction will outpace multifamily. The Federal Open Market Committee says market conditions have improved due to employment gains, but economic growth has slowed. Therefore, on a 9-to-1 vote, interest rates are to stay the same. Indefinitely, or just for now, they're expected to raise it 4 different times, but there's no indication of what's really going to happen this year, especially since globally you've got some countries rolling out negative interest rates. So how do you raise yours when they're going negative? Interesting time. We will have to wait and see. Black Knight Financial has this handy little graphic showing their 2016 home price index. Nationwide, they're showing we're only 5% off the peak back in 2006, and we're at now 254,000, and we've come a long way. That's very crazy. California made the top 10 price movers list at spot number 4 after Washington, Colorado, and Oregon. Of the biggest metro areas, Austin, Dallas, Denver, Houston, Kansas, Nashville, Portland, San Francisco, and San Jose all hit new peaks that they have never reached before. So some cities are moving on up. Freddie Mac is going all in on 2016. Chief economist Ken Kiefer says the U.S. housing market is poised to have its best year in a decade. The national MIMI currently stands at 83, the highest since September of 2008, and the trends are all nearly positive. So this is based on Freddie Mac's Multi-Indicator Market Index, or their MIMI report. I think I'm pronouncing that right. That looks at purchase applications, payment to income ratios, current on mortgage, and employment data. Overall, California has improved on almost all these factors. However, several cities in the California market are marked as deteriorating, including San Diego, San Jose, and San Francisco, mostly because they're getting negative points for payment to income ratios. So you've got housing prices that are blowing past what people are earning, which we know have been a problem because San Francisco and San Jose have blown past their peak price by a lot. We talked about that in our economic update newsletter and webinar that we did this week. If you're a subscriber, you know. So you can check out the entire report at FreddieMac.com/MIMI or MIMI, so you can nerd out on all the charts and data. A new Trulia report says that buying a retirement home is almost always cheaper than renting by about 34%. So as a lot of our retirees are retiring and moving on to other states, are they opting to rent or buy? Florida currently offers the best value in that department. The one interesting thing about the report, it says that renting is better 98 out of 100 cities if the retiree doesn't care about equity in their home or things like passing on an inheritance. And it says, and I quote, "This is because the value of the equity in a home is a significant contributor to the financial benefits of home ownership." Well, yeah, that's typically why people own real estate. So I'm curious to hear from you. If you're a real estate investor dealing with people with equity looking to retire, are they buying or are they renting wherever they're going? And if you're a realtor, what are you seeing as people are retiring? Are they downsizing? Are they upsizing? Are they going out of state? And are they renting or are they buying? If you're on YouTube, please leave a comment below and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a beat. If you're on Facebook, please don't forget to not only like the Norris Group page, but don't forget to add us to your See First list and with notifications on. Leave your comments below the video. And if we miss something, share the story on our comment sections on either YouTube or Facebook, and we'll make sure to include it on our blog at thenorrisgroup.com/blog. You can find out more information on all of our upcoming events on our website, but May 4th we're going to be back on the road doing Stay Put, Cash Out, or Change Seats in Riverside at the Inland Valley Association of Realtors. Then we're back in San Diego. You get to see me. I'm going to talk about marketing for real estate pros in 2016 at SDCIA. May 11th, stay put, cash out, or change seats in Orange County with OCRE Forum. The 19th with AOA's $1 Million Trade Show, which is, I believe it's free. Check out AOAUSA.com for that one. And May 19th, we're going to be at Pasadena Phoebe. So yes, we have 2 speaking engagements, one sort of late afternoon and one at night. You can catch either one. So we're all over Southern California in the next 30 days. For more information on hard money loans, including fix and flip, buy and hold, and new construction loans starting at just 6.9%, yeah, you can check out the norrisgroup.com. Or if you want more information on passive investing with trust deeds with the Norris Group, check out tngtrustdeeds.com. With that, have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you next week.